Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect two devices to your speaker simultaneously. So right here we have the first device what connected with the speaker. We can go to the Bluetooth. As you can see we have connection, and the second what do not connect it with the speaker. On your second device open settings. Then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the top click pairing device button if you have Android, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to click at this button. Now we can enter to pairing mode, so my speaker turn on, and to enter pairing mode I should press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top of the speaker. You will hear the prompt and this LED light start blinking white. So we just enter to pairing mode. Now we see the speaker at the device list. Tap at your speaker and then click pair. And right now, as you can see, we have two devices connected with the speaker simultaneously. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.